Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel from condensed milk. Start by unwrapping a can of sweetened condensed milk and placing it in a heavy saucepan or roasting pan. Simmer gently, stirring when needed, or use the water bath method to prevent scorching. Watch for a rich golden brown color and thick texture. Once cooled, transfer to a jar and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, ready for desserts and spreads. There are 3 popular methods to transform condensed milk into caramel, each with trade-offs. Boiling unopened cans is hands-off, but needs full submersion and caution when opening. Simmering in a saucepan gives more control and faster results, but you must stir to prevent sticking. Baking in a water bath yields even, creamy caramel with less monitoring. Pick the method that matches your patience and kitchen setup for best results. To elevate homemade caramel, finish with small flavor boosts that make a big difference. A pinch of sea salt balances sweetness and creates a pleasing contrast. Stirring in vanilla after the caramel cools adds warm, aromatic depth. For an indulgent twist, fold in a little butter or brown sugar to increase richness and make the texture silkier. Taste as you go to achieve your preferred sweetness and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.